Yun, good morning. First time to do this video while driving, and I'm on my way to work right now, and so I need to stop the music because I will record this. But there's this song called Beauty for Ashes, and there's the line there that I will rephrase it. The old is gone and the new has come. So it got me thinking. So if the old is gone and the new has come, for me as a Christian, I love hearing that. I love hearing that, and experiencing that is truly a blessing. Understanding that the old me is gone and a new me has come, but it got me thinking that maybe, just maybe, for some people, this actual statement is somewhat a reflection of what hinders them to, fully embrace the Lord or Christianity, for example. Not saying that the song is bad. It's actually good. It's super good. Actually, I'm just circling around the thought of, transformation. Maybe people are afraid of that transformation, because there's this assumption that they're okay, they're good already, so why bother, no? Because every transformation comes with pain, right? So yeah, so transformation, let us assume that you think that you're good at something and your identity is bound to it or bind to it. So identity is another topic, right? But yeah, let's say you're good at managing your business, you're a good husband or a wife, you're a good parent already, and you think that there's no need for a transformation because you're doing good already and you enjoy doing this stuff already. Like think of like partying maybe, or going out, drinking, doing all these vices. You're good, you're not hurting people, and it becomes your routine already. But when we say transformation, like a new version of you, sometimes it's not philosophical, or it's not even intellectual or physical, why people turn away or maybe just shun away from the faith. It's just because they don't want to leave these things behind because they think they're okay. Does that make sense? I think it does, because even if we explained a dozen times, we explain what Christianity is, who Jesus is, but if these things clings onto them, or they cling onto that, they will just it will be hard from them. But let me submit you this: though you'll be transforming with the Lord, it's for the better. So you can think like this: so all good that you have right now, but better. All good but better. Like a bread with the butter. Let's dive deep.